So I just got my new keyboards. It's called Keychron Keyboard. I was not gonna do a video on it, but then I realized that these are some amazing keyboards. This was not a high-class keyboard or anything like that. A lot of people were talking about it. That didn't make any sense to me. Especially when this keyboard was just like 60 bucks. But I am on the verge of probably giving this keyboard the best keyboard of all time award. I mean, this goes without saying, but this keyboard flew my expectations. Totally worth it. I'm gonna recommend this to absolutely everyone. Thank you guys so much for taking your time watching this video. I'll see you on Saturday. Amazing video is coming up. You guys are gonna love it. So see you guys then. Bye. Take care.